Hi, this is Dr. Tauquir Ahmad here from our clinic in Harley Street, and today I have one of my lovely patients back with me. She's had a thread lift to lift the sides, and we've also done some volume replacement where she's lost the fat pads. We do feel that the patient felt that she wanted more of a lift, and I explained to her that the problem is that we have a lot of loose, lax skin. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a treatment called PLEXR here, which literally vaporizes away. So what we do is we get the loose skin and on the wrinkles, and we vaporize the skin away in the middle. So basically what we're doing here is, if you imagine the skin like this, and we're vaporizing the middle part and just bringing it together and lifts it gets rid of the loose skin in the middle and lifts it up, and it's a great treatment. So we've done this area up here already, and we've had a really nice lift of about 3 or 4 millimeters on that side. And we're going to do the same on this side as well. And when we are doing it, what I like to do at the same time is, I like to go where the lines are, the wrinkles, and work up above. So as well as tightening the skin, it will take away the wrinkles. And the result from this lasts up to 5 years. So great treatment, great add-on to work with. Take care, thanks.